Looking to upgrade your car audio without fuss? The AWG CCA Power Wire Kit offers exactly what you need for a clean, reliable connection. With 17 feet of blue soft touch power wire and 3 feet of black ground wire, this kit fits perfectly in most vehicles, giving you the length and flexibility to install with confidence. What sets this kit apart is its attention to quality and durability. The wires meet the true American wire gauge, AWG, standard, ensuring consistent performance. The SuperFlex Ultra heat-resistant jacket protects your wiring from extreme temperatures, while the premium inline fuse holder with a 60-amp fuse adds a critical layer of safety. You get 735 strands in the power cable, wrapped in a 6.7 mm diameter jacket, designed to handle your system's demands without overheating or breaking down. Users across the U.S. praise this kit for its reliability. One customer shared how the wires were just the right length for their Nissan Versa's Rockville 8-inch powered subwoofer, delivering clear, consistent power to their 300-watt setup. Another buyer returned for a second kit, highlighting the quality materials and value they found. These real-world experiences show that this kit isn't just well-made, it's built to last and perform. Beyond the power and ground wires, the kit includes 20 feet of soft-touch 16 Aruban Florins speaker wire and 17 feet of twisted OFC RCA cable, perfect for clean signal transfer. The 18-gauge blue remote turn-on wire ensures your system powers up smoothly, and the competition-tested inline fuse holder guarantees protection under heavy load. Plus, with ring terminals, spade terminals, and wire ties included, installation is straightforward and organized. If you're serious about upgrading your car's audio system, this kit delivers what matters: durability, safety, and the right components to get the job done. It's worth a look if you want a hassle-free installation that supports your sound without compromise. Try it when you're ready to hear the difference reliable wiring can make.